Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year.
Alright, so you guys want to see what our snowstorm did last night? Take a look. Yeah, this is my entire backyard. Snow everywhere. Roads are kind of clear. Roads are pretty much clear. But we still have a lot of snow. This will take a while to do frost day. Check that out. So, clear sky today. Beautiful sky. But, all that. I guess it's boot weather still. I'll give you an update downtown later on. See how it's going down there. Peace.